YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Now, you guys are looking for a awesome opportunity to get into SHIB. You might be presented with a great opportunity in the very short term. Again, guys, I'm very long term on SHIB. A lot of you guys already know. This is a project that I'm going to be accumulating probably for the next 5 years. I think it's going to perform very well. But again, this is something that you're going to have to be patient with. And in the short term, guys, this is actually looking like a great opportunity to make some money if you're bearish, because this is a very bearish scenario that's playing out right here. As you guys can see, we are retesting this shoulder right here. You guys can see the shoulder playing out, this head. Now we're retesting the shoulder. If we have another pump, which I would expect, I'd expect us to pump from here. I don't expect a big, huge capitulation. I think this is our capitulation right here. We're capitulating with Bitcoin right now. I do think that we'll probably create another shoulder, and we could see a pretty big sell-off. How big of a sell-off can we see with SHIB? Possibly 20 to 30%. So that would put us down to the 8s or the 7s. Possibly even a little bit more. It really depends how low Bitcoin gets. Which again, we do want to talk about that also. So actually, I'm just going to slide over to Bitcoin really fast, just because, again, guys, Bitcoin has a certain amount of dominance over the marketplace. You guys can see 42.4% dominance over the marketplace. So the fact that we just had this big capitulation with Bitcoin in the short term, really this just played out over the last like 30 minutes. So like I've literally been trying to make this video like 5 times, and I've been watching this play out during the whole time I'm watching this. So again, we're capitulating with Bitcoin. And in the 7-day, it looks like we could see more downside. You know, this could be another, again, head and shoulders play that's going down with Bitcoin right here, right? A shoulder, a head, and then, you know, we're retesting this line of the shoulder. We could see a short-term pump, and then we could see another big dump, right? Why are they doing this, guys? Why do we see these big Bitcoin capitulations like this? Because they want to liquidate the longs, guys. When you see these big massive sell-offs, this is not all your friends deciding that they want to sell Bitcoin all at the same time. No, this is a big institution deciding that they want to short the market, that they want to liquidate some of these longs, some of these guys that are playing in these leverage markets. And right now, guys, this is a great time to accumulate. If you're just a passive investor and not somebody who wants to play in these risky leverage markets, this is a great time to accumulate, guys. If you're long on Bitcoin, if you think that Bitcoin is going to be around for a while, why not pick up a 20K Bitcoin? I don't understand it. Even if we do see more of a sell-off, which again, guys, we've talked about that we could see more of a sell-off, right? We said we could see even 11 or 12K range, right? Because this could be a bear flag right here. This could break down. You know, a lot of things could happen right now, right? We were hoping for some kind of V-shaped recovery, which again we could still see too, right? I want to show you guys this all-time logarithmic. It's still really early to decide what's going to happen with this. There's a lot of speculation. Are we going to see some kind of recovery like what we saw here, right? A huge capitulation followed by a couple of months of this sideways motion before we start seeing some kind of tick up on Bitcoin? Or are we going to see something more like this, where we saw a huge capitulation and then 3 months of an awesome, you know, bull rally right here? This 3 months of bull rally was totally awesome. This made a lot of people a lot of money, guys, because a lot of these altcoins were jumping like crazy, making 80-100% gains. A lot of you guys making insane gains and not taking profit. Hopefully you won't do that again. You know, a lot of people get into these markets. They don't accumulate when things are low like this. They like to accumulate when things are at the top. They sell for a loss, right? And then when they do have times when they're up massively, like some of you guys had, you have a hard time taking profit. Guys, the hardest thing to do it as an investor is to take your money off the table. It's the hardest thing to do because it involves human greed, right? Our whole market is revolving around human greed, and most of these people are going to get wrecked. Most traders are not good traders, guys. Understand that. Most good traders are not going to make it out with their butts, especially in cryptocurrency. Time after time, the people that are buying the tops and then selling the bottoms are getting wrecked. And the people that are just accumulating, the people that are saying, you know what, I see this long term. Again, this is the Bitcoin all-time logarithmic since inception. So you guys can see that Bitcoin's done pretty well for the people that just decided to buy it and hold it. Pretty much if you've been buying and holding all this time, you're a very happy camper right now, and you don't really mind when Bitcoin has these big corrections, when Bitcoin has these, you know, 60 to 70% drops, even when it has these 80-90% corrections, right? Like some of these corrections that we've seen from the tops of this, where we had these big 90% swings, and a lot of people are predicting that still. I even have people in my Telegram group, which again, I don't take it away from them because again, we're all making predictions based off of history and stuff like that. I do think that a lot has changed, and I know I always say nothing has changed, nothing has changed. I think a lot has changed with Bitcoin in the fact that there's more institutions now involved in Bitcoin. There's more people that have lost their keys in Bitcoin. There's more Bitcoin that can't move. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, there's Bitcoin that like it's there and it's gonna be there and it's not gonna be touched because again, people losing keys and stuff like that. And the whole point of Bitcoin, why I do say nothing has changed, is because they're not printing new Bitcoin, guys. There is no new Bitcoin. This is the circulating supply of Bitcoin. This is what it's gonna be. And nothing has really changed in what Bitcoin is. The only thing that's changed is really regulation and a lot of fear. And guys, this is nothing new. Again, that and another situation where nothing's changed. Regulation and fear, isn't that the game of Bitcoin? Hasn't that been the game of Bitcoin since we started this game? Really, honestly, like, haven't we been talking about regulation? Even I remember when Bitcoin was around like $300, right? And weren't people saying, "Man, this is too crazy. This is insane. $300 Bitcoin. This thing's worth more than a dollar, like 300 times a dollar." Well, you know what I mean? Like, people were saying that there's no way it's gonna pop. Guys, we shot all the way up to 60K. Now we're down to 20K, and you think it's gonna be the end of the world, guys? How many bull rallies have we had with Bitcoin? How many times have we seen people been proven wrong with Bitcoin? Don't be one of these people that just falls off the bus because you've never been involved in a market cycle. You got to have more patience than that, guys. But again, if you're short term bearish, that's okay too, because guess what, guys? You can make money on the way down too. All you got to do is short the market. So if you guys think that this is going to break bear, might be again a good time for you guys to be acquiring. But again, this is another coin. I know I said all that to say Shiba Inu, but this is a coin that I'm looking to buy once Bitcoin hits a bottom. Again, we could see SHIB drop down a little bit lower, but this is something I'm looking to pick up on the dip. I'm looking to pick up a lot of other coins. I'm going to talk about those coins too. And the reasoning why, again, I do want to have some meme coin. Am I going to go heavy in SHIB? I might go heavier than I did last time because I feel like there's more confidence in the market that it gets more volume on these Bitcoin pumps. I do think that this is definitely something that will pump with Bitcoin. It will definitely correlate. I think it's almost a safe bet, honestly. As far as cryptocurrency is concerned, in a land of unsafe bets, this is almost a safe bet that if Bitcoin pumps again, that the noobs are gonna get in. These meme coin guys are gonna be looking for another bull rally, and I can't even really say that they're noobs because a lot of these guys made more money than these guys that are preaching buy blue chips, buy blue chips. A lot of these SHIB guys made a gang of money. So if these guys decide that they want to pump this bad boy again, which I totally think that they're gonna do that. Again, that's why I'm accumulating. I'm just looking for the bottom, guys. I'm just dollar cost averaging in, and I'm just being a passive investor. That's my investment plan with SHIB. With SHIB, it's my investment plan with Bitcoin, with cryptocurrencies. You guys can see SHIB having more of a sell-off, probably more Bitcoin capitulation that we're seeing. I expect more, guys. I expect more in the short term, but in the long term, guys, I'm still bullish on SHIB. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you guys accumulating? What do you guys think? How long is this bull rally gonna take? When is this bear market gonna flip bullish again? Let me know in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.